You're listening to the Options Insider Radio Network, the home of the Options Podcast. For more quality options programs, visit theoptionsinsider.com or search for Options Insider Radio Network in your podcast provider of choice. Listeners can also access all of our programming through our mobile app available in the iTunes and Google Play stores. Select programs are also available via live stream at mixlr.com/options-insider. That's mixlr.com/options-insider. Don't forget to follow along with your favorite programs and submit your own questions for the hosts at twitter.com/options, stocktwits.com/options, facebook.com/theoptionsinsider, or via questions at theoptionsinsider.com. The Options Insider Radio Network is sponsored by Fidelity Investments. At Fidelity, you'll always get a great value for your options trades. And with powerful investing tools that provide clear next steps, plus independent research and a wide range of investment types, we can help you make better trading decisions. Learn more about options trading with Fidelity at fidelity.com/options. Options trading entails significant risk and is not appropriate for all investors. Certain complex option strategies carry additional risk. Before trading options, contact Fidelity Investments by calling 800-544-5115 to receive a copy of the characteristics and risks of standardized options. Fidelity Brokerage Services, LLC, member NYSE SIPC.
Hello traders, this is your Options News Rundown for Friday, December 28th. Today's first story is from CNBC. Gold is inching higher today to trade below more than a 6-month high it hit earlier this week, as concerns about slowing global economic growth and a partial government shutdown stoked safe haven demand, although gains in equities capped the upside. Spot gold has risen by 0.2% to $1277.75 per ounce, and is set for a second straight weekly gain with no end in sight for China-U.S. trade tensions and political uncertainty here in the U.S. The precious metal hit its highest level since June 19th at $1279.06 on Wednesday. U.S. gold futures inched down 0.1% to $1280.20 per ounce earlier this morning. Our next story is from MarketWatch. U.S. oil jumped this morning after government inventory data showed smaller than expected fall in crude inventories, but contrasted with unofficial figures that showed a massive supply build, sparking a relief rally. West Texas Intermediate crude for February delivery was up to 72 cents or 1.6% to $45.34 a barrel, after the contract dropped 3.5% to $44.61 a barrel on Thursday. The global benchmark February Brent crude edged up 39 cents or 0.7% to $53.11 a barrel. Brent slid 4.2% to settle at $52.16 a barrel on the ICE Europe platform yesterday. The Energy Information Administration reported this morning that domestic crude supplies fell by 46,000 barrels for the week ending December 21st. Gasoline stockpiles rose by 3 million barrels last week, while distillate stockpiles were virtually unchanged, according to the administration. Our last story today is from CNN. The Bitcoin price and wider cryptocurrency market have made a fevered leap back towards their recent highs on this morning, shaking up yesterday's substantial sell-off, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and other U.S. market indices fell back into decline. Bitcoin had been languishing near the $3,600 level for most of the day after dipping as low as $3,567 last night. However, just a few minutes ago, the Bitcoin price shot up by more than $200, taking it from $3,634 to $3,861 in a matter of seconds. Other large cap cryptocurrencies made similar moves, carrying the Ripple price to 36.5 cents and the Ethereum price to $127. As of the time of this writing, the aggregate crypto market cap tallied at $128.4 billion, marking an intraday increase of more than $8 billion or 6.7%. Factors behind the rally were not immediately clear, although today is a Bitcoin futures expiration date on the CME, and volatility often accompanies the expiration of crypto futures contracts. That's all we have for today. You can find all of these stories and more on theoptionsinsider.com. Have a great weekend, and Dan will be back on Monday with more options news you can use.
Thank you for listening to the Options News Rundown. To learn more about these stories or any other developments from the world of options, visit www.theoptionsinsider.com, the premier source for free options information. The Options News Rundown is brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in option trader education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's live Advantage group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider.
The preceding program was a production of the Options Insider Radio Network. For more quality options programs, visit www.theoptionsinsider.com or search for Options Insider Radio Network in your podcast provider of choice. Listeners can also access all of our programming through our mobile app, available in iTunes and on Google Play. Don't forget to follow along with your favorite programs and submit your own questions for the hosts at twitter.com/options, facebook.com/theoptionsinsider, or via questions@theoptionsinsider.com.